Welcome to Barcelona, where medieval history meets modernist innovation. Get ready for an unforgettable journey through this vibrant Catalan capital. Discover the heartbeat of Catalonia, a journey through art, food, and Mediterranean charm. Explore iconic landmarks and hidden gems. Barcelona, the capital of Catalonia, is renowned for Gothic architecture and a lifestyle that celebrates art, food, and the sea. It blends medieval history with modernist innovation. No trip to Barcelona is complete without visiting the Sagrada Familia. Gaudia's architectural marvel is a breathtaking blend of Gothic and Art Nouveau styles. Construction continues, making it a living masterpiece. This iconic symbol is a must-see, but book tickets online in advance to avoid long queues. Next, explore Park Güell, another of Gaudia's whimsical creations. Wander through the mosaic-filled park and enjoy panoramic city views. This unique park features colorful mosaics and structures that transport you into a fairy tale. Visit early or late to avoid crowds and enjoy the serene atmosphere. Step back in time as you wander through the Gothic Quarter, the oldest part of the city. Get lost in its labyrinthine streets and discover hidden squares. Here, Roman walls meet medieval palaces, and every corner tells a story. Don't miss Placa Real and the majestic Barcelona Cathedral. Indulge in Barcelona's vibrant food scene, starting with tapas. These small dishes offer a taste of local flavors, from patatas bravas to fresh seafood. For an authentic culinary adventure, explore Mercat de la Boqueria, a bustling market on La Rambla. Sample fresh juices, seafood, and local delicacies, but be mindful of tourist traps. Before you go, here are a few essential tips. Use Barcelona's excellent public transportation. Be aware of your belongings in crowded areas and respect local culture. Consider a Ola card for unlimited public transport access and explore beyond main streets to discover hidden courtyards and cafes. Don't forget Casa Batlló and Casa Mila, more examples of Gaudia's unique modernist style. These architectural marvels showcase his imaginative designs. Barcelona is a city that captivates the senses and leaves a lasting impression. From its stunning architecture to its delicious food and vibrant culture, there's something for everyone. Come and experience the magic for yourself, and let Barcelona enchant you with its unparalleled charm and creativity. We hope this guide helps you plan an unforgettable adventure.